Yo guys, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel again. So I previously dropped a video explaining my new 3-step 1 million naira evaluation account, and I stated it there that I'm going to be trading just XAUUSD and GBPUSD on that first step evaluation on the first phase. So my projection analysis for GBPUSD and XAUUSD, I'm going to break it down. I'm going to break down my projection analysis for XAUUSD and GBPUSD the coming week. So yeah guys, as you can see, XAUUSD has been bearish before, but it tapped on a major support level and bounced back from there. But I just used the trend line to mark the trend though. So we're expecting buys now on the XAUUSD pair, and this is a break of structure. Break of structure here. This thing go here now. Break of structure here. Likewise as this break of structure here too. This one also. Then so we've seen that price is actually reversing to the upside from that support level, and so I took this trade right from here. This one is a 1:6 risk to reward trade with the Telegram channel, but we got stopped out, not stop loss but break even. So when price got to this level here, I asked anybody on the trade to, I set my stop loss to break even. So as you can see, price came and took us out, but it didn't take out the trade. The trade is still active, the position is still active. So I spotted a new position, entered a new position here, then year two, here. Here too. So those are the only two trades we took last week. So now my projection analysis on XAUUSD for the next week, I'm expecting XAUUSD to break structure, because as you can see here, it actually showed 4 hours time frame. As you can see, we are seeing rejection both from the downside and the upside. My price does not know what to do here, but that's a fair value gap as the closest PD array. That's a fair value gap here. So I marked out the fair value gap, then went to a 15 minutes time frame to mark out my point of interest, which is the other block here. So as you can see, there's a rejection down here. This place I marked, there's a rejection down there. There's a rejection down here. There is a rejection down there. So with that rejection, I'm expecting has broken that candle to the upside, but I'm expecting a major break to that upside here. I'm waiting for price to break this, and probably break this trend line to then come back to retest this my point of interest before entering this trade. Stop loss below the, if price does what I expected, which is, breaking above that trend line and comes back to retest, and I see a very strong rejection candle, my stop loss will be just right below here. Yes, but if it doesn't go that way, my stop loss will remain right below this candle, or maybe below this low bot, and that's to, I'll just put it right below that candle. So that's my lookout on XAUUSD. Nothing much on XAUUSD. That's what I'm looking out for. So, and the target will be the next internal range liquidity, which I marked out here. Yes, that's our target. This internal range liquidity, which I marked out. So, which gives us a perfect 1:8 risk to reward on good. As you can see, what I explained there, I'll wait for that candle to break above to confirm that yes, structure will look to the upside, because as you can see, there's a rejection, and that's the bullish engulfing though. As you can see, this is a bullish engulfing. After this rejection candle, after this rejection candle down here, after this rejection from here, you can see this coming. You can clearly see this bullish engulfing candle right here. You can clearly see that bullish engulfing candle. So expecting price to break above. I'm just waiting for price to also break above this candle, close above this here. This next candle coming to close above this candle. Then if it comes with a momentum as market opening, so it might just close above here too, then I expect a test. If the next candle that is opening should break above and close above this line, at least sweep this, then comes back to this zone, come back to retest this zone, then take the trade, take the buy trade, and target the upside. Take the buy trade and target the upside. So that's probably what I'm looking at on gold. Nothing really much on gold like that. So now down to GBPUSD. Done a couple of analysis here on GBPUSD. So as you can see here, GBPUSD bounced off a support zone, not really major support zone, but it's a support zone. Broke above, came there to touch the support zone here, that middle here, and now it's like it's coming back there to touch that zone again. So clearly this is a 1 day time frame, and for the past, let's just say for the past 1 month now, 1 month plus, GBPUSD has been trending down. It has been bearish. This is a bearish trend. Clearly this is a bearish trend. So on my 4 hours time frame, this was the last trade I took on GBPUSD. Break of structure here, and my closest PD array was the other block, not fair value gap, was the other block. So took my trade from the other block. That's my POI there. That's another block too. We went back, tap into there, straight to TP, full TP. That was a 1:2 risk reward, almost 1:3, just 1:2.92. So now with my couple analysis for this new trade, as you can see here, we've seen a little sweep here before the push to the downside. Took out this, and you have seen a break of structure again right here, and our closest PD array here is the fair value gap. is the fair value gap, and clearly market created an internal range liquidity or inducement here. This is our external range liquidity, and this is liquidity pool. As you can see, it's quite clearly here. This is liquidity, and market is coming back to take out those liquidity. So this is our fair value gap. Price has been reacting from there. But if price breaks above that fair value gap, where I've been looking next to take the trade from is the other block. But price is reacting from that fair value gap. So down to our 15 minutes time frame, where we look for entry. As you can see, I marked that's our point of interest, which is our order block. This is our point of interest, our order block there. Price came back to tap into that order block. Then this is a minor break of structure. I'm expecting price to break this structure to confirm that yes, price is trending down again. So once we see that break of structure here, we should see a retest to this point of interest, should tap back and then take our entry from there. So this is my projection analysis on XAUUSD and GBPUSD, just as simple as ABC or as simple as BTC. So because this is clearly here that price should come and take out this liquidity here, these resting orders here. So basically these are my projection analysis and my directional bias for XAUUSD and GBPUSD. So thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll be dropping back to back and educational videos back now. I've been quite busy for a while now, so I'm back now. I'll be dropping educational videos and my analysis and documentary for my 1 million naira 3-step account. So grow with me, let's grow together to become the trader we are becoming. So subscribe to this channel, engage in this post, comment, like, share if you can, but if you can't, just comment, like the video and subscribe to the channel so that the algorithm can recognize this channel and push the uploads to more audience. So please just subscribe to the channel and subscribe to the Telegram community too. Let's go together. Subscribe there. Let's just build a solid trading community together from scratch. So my bias on GBPUSD and XAUUSD has been broken down for the next week. I'll be dropping down other trades analysis too. Just like these are the trades I'm taking on that account too, just like the live documentary I said. So I'll be dropping everything here on YouTube. Just stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye for now. Peace out.